what? Model home tours. Do you like airplanes? Because I do. Look at this room. It's a cars room and an airplane room. Really, any fun thing you can imagine. And this room's for boys. So, yes. But if you want to be a girl and you want to have this room, go ahead. I don't judge. I love this room because I love cars. Have you seen the Cars movie? Because then I bet you'll definitely love this pic. I love the movie Cars. It's my favorite movie. Well, second favorite movie. I still don't know what my first one is. But I love it. And I love this cute little teddy. Oh, so cute. And the other one's adorable. That's so cute. And look at the beautiful airplane. It's like it's actually flying. You can be like, so cool. And last but not least, I gotta point out these shelves. They're amazing. I love the airplane in it. It looks so detailed, doesn't it? And I love the two cars right here. They remind me of the movie Cars. Oh, I love this room. 1, 2, 3. Gotta know how to count. And I love these beds. Look how pretty they are. I love the cars. Or taxi. I still don't know yet. So pretty. Sorry. And look at this. Look at how detailed it is. I love detailed stuff, by the way. So, yeah. And I love these beautiful pictures. They're really detailed and really nice. I think they're beautiful. Well, sadly, it's it. But hope you like, subscribe, and comment. And you know who'd like this room? Blake. He's at my school, and he's really sweet and nice. And he sure does love cars. So this can be for him and his little brother. So Blake, I know you like this room, so here we go. And bye.